Good morning students and welcome to your SST class. I hope all of you done your work till chapter 25. Which chapter is coming now in your annual syllabus. Only this chapter is the last chapter which is coming in your annual examination. So beta, I hope all of you done now your work till chapter 25. 26 is not coming. Okay, in your syllabus. According to your syllabus, our government, due to coronavirus, your syllabus is reduced now, so this chapter is not coming in your annual examination. So beta, all of you open page number 166 in your book, chapter 27, which is last chapter according to your SST syllabus. I hope all of you ready with your book, and all of you open your book. This class is your SST class. All of you ready with your SST book? Okay, beta. Very good. So, let's start today's classes. So, beta, everyone open page number 166. Today's date is 11/2021. The chapter is chapter 27. Our national symbols. Our national symbols. Okay, this chapter. Page number 166 to 168. This time first all of you open your book. Our national symbols. Students, open your book, and in this chapter we will discuss about our national symbols, why we need now these national symbols, and what are the rules when we are hosting our national flag, and what colors are in our national flag colors, and what is the meaning of these color. Okay, and why we need now these national symbol. These things, all things are we will discuss in this chapter. So beta, first 15 minutes all of you read this chapter very carefully. This time your reading time. So everyone read this chapter very carefully. In previous classes all of you read this chapter also. This chapter is very important chapter for you. So beta, read it. I hope all of you read this chapter beta. This time I am explain this chapter. So everyone properly read this chapter. Tell me students, when our country was independent, our country India, this time independent country India. Tell me, 15th August 1947. Okay, this date was our independent. On this day, on 15th August, we are celebrate our Independence Day. When our country became independent, that time we have to choose some symbols for our country. Why? Because we are represent our country. For example, beta, suppose in my class, you are all of are in 4th class students. If your name is same, how I am identified? Tell me, you have your identity. For your identification, all of you have your ID card. Yes, na? This is for your identification, because you are and in your ID card there is some information, your name, your father's name, your date of birth, your address, your mobile number, different things. And same pattern for all students, but their informations are different. and so our country is become independent. Okay, and we have choose some certain symbols for our country, present in the world, for together in common bond. And these three symbols are called national symbols. What are? First is three symbols. Our country had three symbols. Three symbols. Three symbols. Three symbols. And these symbols are called national symbol. Three are, the names are, first is the national flag. The national flag. National flag. Second is national anthem. The national anthem. The national anthem. The national anthem. And third one is the national symbol. The national symbol. The national symbol. Okay. When our country is become independent, we choose certain some symbols for our country to represent in the world. Okay, and in our country have three symbols, and these three symbols are called national symbols. These three symbols are called national symbols. If anyone is asking about, tell me the three national symbols of India. So national symbols of India are, first is here is T capital. National symbols of India is a national flag. This national flag represent our country. It means when we are seeing now national flag of India, it means this flag is represent India. The national anthem, it is our national anthem, national symbol. One by one we will discuss these three topics. Our national flag. Our national flag. Look at here everyone beta. This is our national flag. And it is also called Tiranga. And it is the most important symbol of a free country. It is hosted on the government building. And in which building? Red Fort in New Delhi. Okay. Red Fort in New Delhi, and the top of the Indians umbrellas throughout the world. And we also hosted this national flag in our schools on the occasion of national festivals. And here one question is raised, students. I am asking you, for you, tell me the national festivals. How many national festivals are? Beta, three national festivals are celebrating our country. First, 15th August, that is Independence Day. We are starting now from January. 26th January, that day we are celebrating as a Republic Day. After that, in August month, 15th August, that day we are celebrating as a Independent Day. And the 2nd October, that day is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. In both memories, we are celebrating that day. Then Mahatma Gandhi ji is our father of nation. Yes, you know? Yes, na? Okay, good. These three national festivals we are celebrating in our country. 26th January, 15th August and 2nd October. These three national festivals we are celebrating now. And when we are celebrating these national festivals, we host this national flag in our schools. Our national flag is called tricolor. This shape is a rectangular shape. The ratio between the length or breadth of national flag is 3:2. Underline this word in your book. Here is given now. The ratio between the length and the breadth of the national flag is 3:2. And it has in our national flag, it has three horizontal lines, three horizontal bands. This saffron, in middle this white, and in the last this is a green. Understand? The topmost band, it is a saffron color. And what is the meaning of saffron color? It means courage and sacrifice. And the middle band, it is a white color. It means for truth and peace. And the last bond, this color is green color. It means life and prosperity. Understand? I hope all things are clear now, beta. And in the middle, look at here, in the middle band, here is a one circle. This circle is called, this wheel is called Ashok Chakra. And in this wheel, there is a 24 spokes. What is the meaning of 24 spokes? Tell me anyone. The wheel and this charkha is the symbol of progress. It is the symbol of progress. And its color is a navy blue color. And this wheel is in a center. And this wheel is called Ashok Chakra. I hope all things are clear now. Look at here, everyone. The national flag is the symbol of our country, and each color is in the flag has a special meaning. Each color. Saffron color means courage and sacrifice. White color means truth and peace. And green color means life and prosperity. And this wheel is the symbol of progress. The national flag is the symbol of our freedom. It means we are free now, and it is stand for our unity. Beta, this national flag is the symbol of our freedom. It means that our country is free. And it stand for our unity and honor. And we all are united, and this time we all Indians are free. And we are expected to follow some rules when we are hosting this flag in our schools on national festivals. Tell me the rules. Which rules are we are following now? The saffron band must always be at the top. When we are hosting this national flag in our school on national festival occasion, it means some rules we follow now strictly. First rule is saffron band must always be at the top. Okay. Then second one is, while the national flag is being hosted, everybody must stand in the attention and salute it. In attention position and salute it. Okay. Then the national flag should be preserved carefully. And next is, the national flag should remain hosted only from the sunrise to the sunset. It should always flutter at the top of the mast only during the national national mourning, it flutters at half mast. It means when a respective person for our country, like that PM, CM, our president, our soldiers, okay, that type of person, when they are not being us, okay, that person are not being us, that time that national flag or flag is flutters at half mast. Half mast, it means when the respective person is not being us, that is the type of honor giving to them. Okay beta, I hope all things are clear now for our national flag. And tell me, who stitches this national flag first time? Underline this line in your book. Everyone, underline this line. Bikaji Kama. She was Persian lady. She stitched our national flag first time. So underline this line. This is very, very important. And all rules are given here. Just I told you. All of you read these rules very carefully. When we are hosting our national flag, to which rules we are following it. So everyone read this rules. Okay. I hope all things are clear now. Then next is, first point is our national flag. This is done now. Then national anthem. National anthem. This is the national anthem. Look at here in your book. Here is a whole national anthem. And all of you learn it very properly. And when you are sing this national anthem, your position always in attention position. And you are standing in a standing position and you stand properly. Okay. National anthem. This national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore, and every nation has a patriotic song, and that song is called national anthem. And in our country, the national anthem is Jan Gan Man, and this song is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Our national anthem is a symbol of our unity. It is sung during the national festivals and all important functions. Okay, beta? The national anthem was written by the great poet Rabindranath Tagore. The original song contained 5 stanzas, of which only the first was chosen as our national anthem. Look at here, this line, understand? The original song contained 5 stanzas, of which only the first was chosen as our national anthem. And we must respect our national anthem, and our duty of every citizen to learn and understand the national anthem. When the national anthem is begin, sung, or its tune is being played, everybody is required to stand in attention position. Okay, beta? This second point is done now, national anthem. The third part is, that is national ambles. This remaining part we will discuss in next class, beta. Okay, and I hope all things are clear now in your mind. If there is any problem, beta, first this is my request. All of you read this chapter 2 times at least, because this chapter is a information based chapter. So everyone, when you are reading now, then all things are set in your mind. So all of you read this chapter at least 2 times. This is good for you, and remaining part we will discuss in next class. Okay beta, till then have a nice day.